Yo, what's good everyone? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a backflip because a bunch of you guys have been asking forever and for some reason I haven't done one until today. So here we go, and this is what a backflip looks like. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Step number one, grab a mattress. So as you can see, I got the mattress behind me, but I'd highly recommend doing these steps on a trampoline if you have one. If not, a mattress would work. It's just gonna be a little bit harder. But yeah, so first off, we're gonna just do a backwards roll over one of our shoulders, whatever feels more comfortable, like this. So do that a few times until you guys get comfortable with it. All right, so for step number two, this is gonna look super goofy, but you guys just gotta trust me on this one. So I don't even know what this is called, but you just gotta, I'll just show you. So go over the same shoulder again, but just do like a very crooked kind of backhand spring almost. So go like that, if that makes sense. So just same shoulder, put your hand down and kind of just kick your legs around. So just a heads up, you guys are gonna look pretty goofy trying this, but you won't be looking stupid when you're hitting backflips everywhere like this. So you guys just gotta trust the process and trust me on this one, cause yeah, that's pretty much it. So for step number three, we're gonna do the same thing we just did, but go a little bit more over a shoulder this time. So just a little bit more back, if you know what I mean. Let me show you, like this. Just like that. So this exact method is how I learned backflips and a bunch of other people learned them. So I think this is honestly the best way to learn it. Now, as you can probably guess, for step number four or whatever we're at, you just gotta go a bit more over your shoulder, a bit more like a back handspring almost, just like this. So now you guys got to just keep practicing that until you guys get comfortable with it. And as you can probably guess, for the next step, we're just going to go a bit more backwards, a bit more over the shoulder, a bit more like a back handspring in a way. And it's up to you guys if you want to go off one hand or two, whatever's easier for you. So you could either do one, it's called a makaku or something like that. So it's just like this. Right? But personally, when I was learning it, I like two hands because I just found it easier, and now just be like this. Whatever's easier for you guys. But yeah, so you guys got to just keep doing those same steps. Start like very crooked and kind of just keep going a bit more backwards each time until you're doing a straight back handspring, kind of like this. So start crooked and kind of just work your way backwards. Right? So that's like over the shoulder, and then a bit more back, and then a bit further back, and then a little bit more, 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 and just keep doing that until you guys end up doing a back handspring like this. So once you guys are going straight backwards into a back handspring, now you just got to try and jump more and take away your hands a little bit more each time, like this. Start off with the back handspring. Right? And now kind of just jump a bit more and don't use your hands as much. As you can see, I use my hands a little bit less, right? And then do that again, but with less hands. And don't worry if you guys are landing on your knees, because that's what the mattress is for. So just kind of keep doing your back handspring and take away your hands a little bit more each time. And once you guys get more comfortable with that and it's not as scary, now you just got to try and jump a bit higher and kind of just rotate a bit faster, like this. And keep doing that until you're pretty much doing a backflip and landing on all fours, like this. So now at this point, you're pretty much doing a backflip just to all fours. And now you just got to kind of get the technique down and just throw your arms up, jump as high as you can. Try and like do a bit of a tuck if you can, like bring your knees a bit closer to help with the rotation. So yeah, right? Like it'll probably look like that on your first few attempts, something like that maybe. Just kind of jump higher, bring your knees in a bit if you can. Eventually you kind of just gotta jump as high as you can, throw your arms up, tuck, then you got a backflip. Ta-da! So there you guys go. That's the backflip tutorial, and in my opinion, this is the best and easiest way to learn a backflip. And my biggest tip for you guys is don't go watching any more backflip tutorial videos like I did, because when I was learning, I probably watched hours of backflip tutorials thinking I was gonna find some cheat code or something, but I'm telling you, there's no cheat code to this. This is the fastest and easiest way to learn a backflip. So my biggest tip for you guys is right now after this video, go grab a mattress or a trampoline if you have one. Do those exact same steps that I just showed you guys, and I promise you, you will end up doing a backflip at one point. point. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment if this video helped you guys. I want to see if I actually taught anybody how to backflip. So yeah, so let me know if I taught you guys how to backflip. But that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.